Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro tutorial on how to reverse a video clip. This came as a question from a viewer who wanted to know just that. How do I reverse a video clip? So for people that are new to Vegas Pro, they're not going to know how to do this, but it's a very simple tutorial. So I'll just show you a little bit of what's happening here. Here we have paratroopers jumping off a C-130. And we're going to reverse this clip. So all you do, simply right click on it and select reverse. It saves a copy in your project media folder. So now when you play it back, instead of jumping out, they're all coming back into the plane. So a very simple tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, browse my videos, and I guarantee you'll find one in there that you like. So once again, if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.